Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Aprilia TUONO 660 with 499 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. Lightweight, compact, and built to perform at a high level, the TUONO is an impressive naked sport bike that lives up to the reputation of its big brother, the TUONO V4 1100. Powered by a 659cc parallel twin engine, it puts 100 horsepower and 49 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 372 pounds and has a 32.2-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.